Hello, this is Riverponics. It's been a while since I posted a video. I've been consolidating stuff in this grow room and just going with this 12-foot two-tier vertical grow. It's summertime, so I just did a setup outdoors. I'll do a video on here real soon. But I just wanted to kind of show you this two-tier system and how things are doing thus far. The top row just wicks from the channels up into the containers for your self-watering system. And then see that tube running down the middle, which is feeding the bottom row with drippers. And I'm using different type of media, soilless stuff. There's the clay pellets. I'm using rock, river rock in that one. Likewise that one. And this is a different mix, turfus and vermiculite. I have another mix too that I'm working on for my outdoor stuff. But you can kind of see that. And then there's the top thing wicking up. So this is all being fed from one pump. Okay, and that pump's actually on a timer as well. So it cycles on and off. But you can see. Kind of hard to see in the video, you know, but that's the incoming. It comes down. Then it branches off into both channels. And then it branches off again down on the first tier rungs, and you branch off all your drippers. So that's one way of doing this. Takes right down. So that's pretty cool. You got two different grows going on. You're wicking top row, and the channel's up, and then here you're using drippers. And like this one here is actually wicking from the bottom up as well too. So with that mix. Aloe vera going. You can do clones with aloe vera. The stalk, you break the stalk and the sticky gooey goodness inside that stalk with the enzymes and stuff is a good cloning gel. Just something to think about. So I got a lot of variety of stuff. Broadleaf, mustard, peppers, basil, there's dill growing, we got broccoli, so got a pretty good variety of stuff right now going. Anyways, I'll be doing a video here shortly with my outdoor system I just did. And please, if you haven't subscribed, please do hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.